by Plascon, today's handy heroes come from Build It, Outeniqua in the Western Cape.
We are a proud Build It store that stocks Plascon, and we are fully tinting and stocking the whole range. Making us proud in this store, serving the customers with Plascon, is that ultimately the customer has the experience that we have the solution for every problem, and that eventually they can come back and back after years so that we can supply them. We believe we're the best paint hardware supplier in George due to our unique service approach. Our pricing, our experience and our stocking of Plascon is the best in George, and we give the customer honest advice every single day.
What I like about Plascon and Plascon brand is it's a strong brand. It's a very strong name. I really like the quality of the product as well. It's just all out good quality, good product. My favorite Plascon product is Plascon Velvoglow. It is oil-based and has a built-in primer. That's why I love the product. So you don't have to get a wood primer, a universal undercoat to put on top of it. All you have to do is just paint it straight onto the substrate or straight onto the surface, and it leaves an awesome finish. My DIY tip that I could give is definitely measure twice, cut once. Always need to make sure, and trust me, you will make mistakes. So yeah, measure twice, cut once.
Today's handy heroes is powered by Plascon Wall and All. Unmatched dirt, stain, water and fade resistance to keep your walls beautiful for years. Plascon, together we've got this.